All right, so the fuel has been drained. I had to fix the fuel tank there from leaking, put a new sediment bowl in, put a new fuel line in, got a new battery. Let's get it ready to the other side. Also, this was all gunked up and nasty, cleaned that out, put fresh oil in it. The choke was seized, got that freed up. Some of this was a little loose, so I tightened that up. Just still won't start or turn over. It's always kind of had a slow crank, but this is it. So that's it. It turns, just doesn't turn over. I got to the carb here and was able to get this flathead bolt out. There's another flathead bolt behind it I got out. I got this bolt here out, but the bolt behind here between doesn't really have much room, and I was unable to get that out, and that's kind of the point that I left off here. It was running before it sat, but it's been sitting, I don't know, I'd say probably a good 6 months or so. It's just been sitting. It sat maybe a month or so before that, and that's when it wouldn't start again. And then it's just been sitting ever since. But it did run, drive, operate very well prior.